Hi, it's Tadek again, and this is part 7 in my series on the Japanese Hiragana alphabet. In this video, we're going to be doing 2 rows, M and R. And R is not the modified or 1010 version of M, or M, the modified 1010 version of N. These are 2 standalone rows with no exceptions, and they're pretty cut and dry. Obviously, just kind of like the first row here. But again, no 1010 version. So we have M and the R. So I'm just going to lump them together because they're pretty similar, and that's why they are the same color on the chart. So we have ma, mi, mu, me, mo, and ra, ri, ru, re, ro. And I don't think I'm saying the R right, but I think it's like la, li, lu, le, lo. So for ma, I just see it as a man with many arms. Ma. And there's actually like a snake guy here that looks almost exactly like the symbol that I found online, which I thought was pretty cool. Or I think his name's Goro. Don't kill me if that's wrong, but with 4 arms. So ma, many arms. Me, why yes, I'm 21. Pour me a drink. 21. Yes, me, I'm 21. Moo. I don't even have to explain it. It looks like a cow. Moo. Me. Me is Japanese for eye, and it looks a bit like an eye, or the eye is looking at me. Me. Mo. You can catch mo fish with a better hook. Mo fish with a hook. And that's it for the M row, and then we're going to go to the R row. R. First one is ra. Ra. And it's rabbit. Just looks a bit, if you kind of tweak it, fudge it a bit, looks a bit like a rabbit. So ra, rabbit. Re. This one's a little convoluted. Just kind of swapped them here and enlarged them, so it's you redraw. So it wasn't done correctly. There's 2 ways of doing it in 2 separate pieces, or maybe with a little piece here at the end. And then the second way is kind of just making it look like a big N or something like that. But if you do it this way, if you do it and it kind of cuts out in the middle here, it looks a bit like an R and an I. So re looks like R and I a little bit if you get creative, or you can redraw a line. Root. This one, pretty convoluted. It's just like you're trying to draw a 7 that turns into a 3, and you ruin it. You ruined it because you did a 7 and a 3. And you just ruined the number completely because it's not a 7 or a 3. Well, I guess technically it still would be a 7, but and then it's not even a 3 because you put this little circle at the end of it. So Ru is, I'm probably not going to be able to find it now, but Ru is pretty similar to Ro. Down here at the bottom. Oh, I'm so stupid. It's in the same row. So Ro, Ru. You ruined your Ro by making the circle. You ruined your 3 and 7. All right, moving on. Re, or Re, is like you're re-threading the needle. So we have over in the N row we have ne, which is like threading a needle, and then this one's re-threading a needle, or a man repenting, or a guy retching. Just kind of, you gotta use your imagination. And then ro. It could be, at first I thought it looked a bit like a boat here in the center, breaking waves, and someone's rowing on the boat. Or if you kind of get creative, it looks a bit like it's missing the back and head of a man or a person rowing a boat. So basically that's it. They're pretty cut and dry, very convoluted, but perhaps it's better that they're cut and dry because they're so damn convoluted. We have the M row and the R row. Hope you found that video informative and minimally confusing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below. Thanks. Bye.